shallot coconut tomato dip or shallot coconut tomato chutney. One of the tastiest of the coconut chutney recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato dip recipes and one of the most delicious of the chutney recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato dip recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most unique of the shallots recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. We're going to make coconut shallot tomato dip. We have taken around 15 to 20 shallots, around 100 grams of grated coconut, 1 to 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 15 grams of garlic and 15 grams of garlic and 15 grams of ginger. And pour in 10 to 20 ml of oil. Put in ginger, salt, thoroughly season it. Put in the tomato piece and salt. Put in salt juice, just a little bit. Put in saute. Let it cook. Put in 2 spoons of chili powder, mix. Put in the coconut, grated coconut, salt and mix thoroughly. Salt and mix. Keep on salting. Salt for 2 to 3 minutes and let the mixture cool. put in the mixture into the grinder. Once it cools, close and grind well. 10 ml of oil. Let it get heated. Put in the mustard seeds and wait for it to pop. This will take around 30 to 40 seconds. Put in the curry. Put in the brown mixture. Pour in 10 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Shallot coconut tomato dip is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final shallot coconut tomato dip or shallot coconut tomato chutney. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chutney recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut chutney recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato dip recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dip recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.